August, I'm Lisa. I'm the owner of Roadnavier, and I have selling this screen for many years. And I got many dispute or refund request. So what's the problem? Because the original unit is very complicated. So today I have make clear of all the OEM head unit. I want to tell you how to choose for your car. So if your car without screen like this, it means base train, no any screen. So I suggest you buy a cover to the top to fix our display, and now we are developing a wire harness for the base head unit. So this is the base train. You need to buy a cover or train from eBay, cost about $40. Okay, so now go to this technology package with DVD navigation. This one support all without problems, and I show you the wire harness. Is our package. We include the 3-set wire harness. There are 3-set wire harness and 2 AUX adapter cable. This one for the technical package, this one for the HDD package. Means your car have a real entertainment system. Now let me talk about the wire harness. Your original dash is a technical package, and this is your screen. This is your screen. Your screen is black plug. Use this harness with a black plug to the screen. This one for technology package. Your car is the technical package with HDD navigation like this. You can choose any other set wire harness. These two, both two are fit this OEM head unit. You can try one of them. Okay, this is the feedback from MDX foreign to buy from us, and okay, they our harness not retain the original real camera, but we always included original style after cameras for you and very high definition. So also support the AUX audio input. Okay, so if you have any other questions, you can read my product guide, because I'm selling this products for many years, and I do many research to this car. So I think I'm very familiar with this, and if there are any problems, just message me. Okay, thank you.